Microsoft is finally admitting defeat. Windows search just isn't cutting it anymore. So, what's the solution? Well, Microsoft has decided to replace it with something smarter, Ask Copilot, a new AI-powered search experience built right into your Windows 11 taskbar. According to Microsoft, Ask Copilot will replace Windows search on the taskbar. But don't worry, it's not being forced on you yet. It's optional for now. This new feature uses Windows search APIs combined with Microsoft's AI magic to make finding apps, files, and settings faster and smarter. Windows search has long been criticized for being slow and prioritizing Bing results, even when users just want a local file or app. But Copilot aims to fix that with a more intelligent, conversational interface. Let's be honest, Windows search was never great. Tools like PowerToys Run or third-party apps like Everything do a much better job. Microsoft tried to improve it over the years, but users saw little real progress. Now, by introducing Copilot into the search bar, Microsoft is signaling a major shift toward AI integration across Windows 11. When you start typing in the taskbar, the new Ask Copilot pill floats above it. You'll see options like Copilot Vision, Voice Input, and Attach File. For example, if you search for Outlook, Copilot instantly pulls up apps, settings, or even your PowerPoint decks, all in one place. Here's the cool part. Copilot uses a small language model along with Windows search, but Microsoft confirms that Copilot can't access your files unless you give it permission. Plus, the Attach feature lets you drag in an image so Copilot can find related files on your system. That's something the old Windows search could never do. Copilot Vision takes things a step further. It lets the AI see your screen and help in real time. Imagine asking Copilot, "What is this error?" and it instantly explains it, right from what's on your screen. It's like having a mini AI assistant that actually understands what you're looking at. So, what does this mean for the future of Windows? Well, it's clear, Microsoft is slowly phasing out old systems like Windows Search and replacing them with AI-driven tools. Soon, Copilot won't just help you search, it'll help you do everything on your PC. From finding files to explaining system settings, Copilot could become the heart of Windows 11. So, what do you think? Is Microsoft's Copilot the upgrade Windows search needed, or is it just another experiment? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this update interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news like this.